Hi everyone. Let's see the next interview question on lightning flows. Scenario. Let's take example. You are building a loan approval screen flow that captures the applicant information and as well as it uploads the supporting documents and creates the loan application record. Now, while executing in between the process, the document upload step fails due to an external system error. Now, how would you handle this failure to ensure a good user experience and prevent the incomplete data from being committed? What would you do if the flow is long running or a spans multiple stages? How do you implement the lightning flows?